So today we got some spaghetti cornbread. I tried something new this week. Okay, don't knock it till you try it. I don't do too much, but just a little bit on the side. And they got cornbread. I just sit it in there, and then we just eat it. Some cheese on here too. We gotta warm this up. Okay, so I just warmed it up with spaghetti. It's good. Mm-hmm. I should have had a plate, but yep. Unless I do this, so I can at least see my plate. I don't know who's cutting grass at 7 o'clock. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. I don't know, y'all. Garlic bread just don't be doing it for me no more. Maybe I need to try a different type of garlic bread. I'm gonna do a quick little video because I'll be trying to stay consistent, y'all. Put it in there. In my next video.